Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this robot vacuum and mop combo. This is a 2-in-1 mopping robotic vacuum, and it has with Wi-Fi, and it also has an app. So it includes the water tank. It also has the anti-collision sensor and also a dust box. Okay, so you can set it up for auto clean, and let's just remove this part. Also, it includes a remote and a charger and the dock station. Okay, so this one, you will be installing it on the right. It has the letter R for you to attach it here to the robot vacuum, and this is ready to start charging. Okay, so here, if you pull this lid up, this is the dust box, and you can remove the dust once that it's full, and also remove the filter and wash it. On this part, you will be adding the water so it can start mopping, and it also includes this little device so you can actually clean it. Okay, so here is the charger and the dock station. It doesn't require a lot of space. You will press this power button once that is charged, and as you can see, it will start mopping all the room, so you can actually know where to go and where to clean. Okay, so I would recommend that you close all the doors first on the first room so it can actually map this first room. Once that it's done with it, you can see that this is all the dust that it has removed from here, and you can also turn it on and off with this remote control right here. And this is how it will go under your sofa. It is really convenient because you can just leave your home and turn this on, and it will be clean by the time that you get home. It is really nice. It will go to the charging station by itself as well.